Hey, what's happening? This is Jerry with Wealth Dynamics. Thank you for tuning in. I want to talk to you today about why do-it-yourself does not work for wealth building. Now, what does do-it-yourself mean? Do-it-yourself means exactly what it sounds like. It means you're going to do everything. You don't want people involved. You want to handle it. You don't want to pay people. You don't want to use other people's time. You think they're going to make mistakes and make the deal take longer. Now, with investing, it is about multiplying your wealth. Why would you multiply your wealth? So that you can have more time. Okay, wealth is arbitrary. It's money. Why would you just want to arbitrarily multiply money? It doesn't actually do anything. So when you're thinking do it yourself, what you're really thinking is A, people might make mistakes. B, I don't want to waste my time. C, maybe I don't trust people. And I totally agree with that. There's things that I believe you should do yourself first. One of my rules in business, do it before you delegate it. I'm not going to expect somebody to get on the phone and make calls if I've never done it because I can't manage the process. So that's really what you're trying to do, is you're trying to manage the process, and I respect that. However, with wealth, here's how it works. If you're investing, I believe you should be investing in either real estate or small business. You can't do any of that yourself. Just the fact that you're investing means that you need an economy, which means other people will be involved. Even at the most basic level, if I want to buy a real estate deal, I need to buy it from someone. I can't buy it from myself. Now, the do-it-yourself thing applies to management too. I meet people that say, hey, I want to manage it by myself. I want to set it up by myself. I want to do all of it by myself. I don't want anybody involved. Okay, now the problem with that is it's not scalable. Okay, do you want a mom and pop's investment portfolio that you've got to push and work and move in order for it to yield anything, or do you want something that produces its own income that doesn't require your time, that doesn't require you to be there, that doesn't require you pushing on it in order for it to produce? If you want the latter, you can't do it yourself. From the get-go, you need people helping with taxes, bookkeeping, acquisition. You need to have people helping with management. You need people helping with planning and long-term strategies. And so I want to submit to you that from the get-go, you shouldn't do it yourself. You should look for a team. If I'm building a business, I want to spend as little time as possible in the business where it's just me. Immediately, I want other people. Why? Because it's not the money that's important. Okay, investors get other people's money. What they don't get is other people's time, other people's resources, other people's creativity, other people's courage, other people's networks, other people's ideas, which are all more valuable than money because all of those things create money. So if you're limited to just your time, to just your creativity, your work, your skills, your ideas, your courage, then you're not scaling. You're not actually using leverage. You're just using your own stuff, which means, here's where I spin this, which means you only have what's available to yourself in a 24-hour day. What is that? That, my friends, is a job. The reason you don't want to be a do-it-yourself investor is because it completely contradicts what you're trying to get away from, which is trading your time for money. Doing it yourself, it's a job. It defeats the purpose. Don't do it. Hire a wealth coach. I'm going to help you put a strategy together and introduce you to the right players so that you can build a business, not a secondary job that involves real estate and investments. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'm going to drop my article in the comments as always. Go ahead and check that thing out. Reach out to me if you're interested in learning more about what I've talked to you about today. Thank you so much. Speak to you soon.